description.
Well, hello, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you yet again with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodle. And today I've got one from the United States. This is Nonfshim, aka Farmer's Heart. This is Nonfshim Toomba Stir Fry. And yes, I've had the pack version, but this is the tray version, and I found out today there's a bowl version as well, so I will get to that as soon as I can. But, yeah. This is the one after. This is the one now. Got a noodle block. You'll see, you'll see. How's everybody doing? Yeah? Hey, Mimi, can you turn that down, please? Thank you. So we add this one first. Oh, here's the bits and pieces. And we do water to the fill line. Where is that fill line? Is that way that high? Can't be. Certainly looks like it. Okay. Alright. Right to there. I don't know, that seems ridiculously high, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, so this is supposed to go 1,000 watts for 4 minutes. Alright. Dude. I am putting a plate underneath that. I just don't have a good feeling on this. But yeah, I don't know. Sometimes I get that vibe. Sometimes. But it is the Tuesday, the 15th day of July 2025. I'm still stuck at home laid up with a gammy leg. I don't know. It's very odd and I don't care for it. And more reviews. We got more noodles coming today, and hopefully if that all shows up in time I can do my unboxings. That isn't gonna happen. What sucks is, like, I'll get a notification I got a package, right? Package has been delivered in mailroom. I go over to the mailroom, the mailman's there delivering packages and won't let you get your package. And then, like, I swear, it takes the mailman like an hour to deliver the mail. So I get the notification, and then I gotta wait an extra hour to actually grab my package. Stupid. I've had the mailman before, like, when I've gone in there. They rotate a lot. And I've had them before be like, you have to leave. You have to leave right now. You cannot be in here when I'm delivering the mail. You cannot. I'm just like, whoa, dude. Settle down. I'm just trying to get my mail, you know. I don't know. And, yeah, so there's that. I've got some really interesting stuff. There's another prison ramen. There's a box from James from Lakeside, California. I'm actually going to be doing the unboxing video that I got to edit. I won't do that. Yeah, that'll give me time to get a couple more, at least one more of those. I've been doing the tteokbokki. I'm doing another one today. That one, it's like when I do an unboxing and it's just a whole slew of stuff, I like to have at least done a couple so I can show a couple pictures. So from when I got that box with all the tteokbokki and ropaki varieties, till when I actually do the edits, I will have like a tteokbokki pack, a cup, and a ropaki. So I'll just do that rotation all the way through. And Toomba. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna be doing, by the time you see it, I'll have already done it, but stuff called Ramen Aid. And it's like you mix it with your ramen, and it, like, one has caffeine in it, the other one has, like, I can't remember what the other one is, but you'll get to see soon. Oh. But yeah, spicy and creamy. So this Toomba deal has to do with Outback Steakhouse, I guess. It sounds to me, because there's that, I mean, there has been a flood of the market with creamy spicy. You got your carbo, cream carbo, the rosé, Toomba, Kutik made a Toomba, what else? Well, it's done. It didn't explode. Whoa, and I am really confused by this. This is not supposed to be like this. This sucks, because this is not right. Is that the fill? No. The only fill line I see is this one. So I'm guessing we'll find out. I don't see how it would be like this. I don't think it's supposed to be a frickin' soup. But there's nothing I'm seeing here other than, yeah, I don't know. It's not supposed to be like a bowl of soup. Like, where's the image? I guess it is soup. Ish. Yeah, I expected this not to be like zoopy. I expected it different. Well, let's see what happens. I don't know what's gonna happen. This doesn't make me think, oh, it's like a stir fry. I mean, it's soup. I'm betting I made this wrong somehow, or I don't know, but I'm like not feeling at all confident that this was prepared correctly. If it was, I don't see a freaking fill line. Here's the broth. Is that the way it's supposed to be? I don't know. I always thought this, you cooked it, drained it. But I'm looking at the image here. Well, it's spicy enough. I think maybe this is just fine. So I'm going to review it that way because I don't know how else really to do. It looks. I'm getting that it's okay. Should I don't know how else to put it. I think it's fine. So what I'm going to do. It's really weird when I cook something up and I expect it to be one way and it's something completely, totally different than what I expected. That like throws me for a loop, man. So we got some chashu we're gonna throw in. Don't worry, we're gonna put it in a bowl, but I want to stir it up first. Man, I want some curry. I want some green curry. All right. I'll give it a stir, a swizzle. I'm going to use this big bowl because I don't know how else I'm going to get it in here. There. It's not bad. I would have liked a little bit more savory to it, I guess. I don't know. It's not bad. I'm not going to complain about it because it's not bad, but it's something. I think that's as far as I'm going with that. A little crushed red pepper, perhaps. Still have all these birds flying all over the place. It's kind of kooky. Alright, well, that's what I'm doing to that thing today. There will be more tomorrow. I'll just let you watch it rotate. I think that's the safe thing to do. And that's what you're going to do. Yeah, there it goes. Well, thanks for watching. The next one you're gonna see is this. This is a carbonara tteokbokki from South Korea, and it's for the what do you call it? The GCC countries, the Gulf countries. It was sent to me from Dubai, along with a slew of other ones, and they're going to be in the European market soon. Carbo tteokbokki, made in South Korea for that region. And that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Oz the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.